How to use green screen on Kinemaster. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Bipin Bisnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can use the green screen on Kinemaster. Well, the process itself is pretty simple and easy, so let me guide you through. If you wish to use green screen in order to remove the particular background from a video, what you can do is simply, first you have the video, right? Then you want to download a green image that is plain green. Then tap on create new and create the aspect ratio project here. Tap on create. Once you do so, here now this ad is popping up. I'll just cross this, but once you do so, you want to go ahead and select the image that you downloaded. So I have selected it, as you can see. Once you do so, at the right hand side, you want to head over to this section here, tap on layers and tap on the media option, and this time now you want to choose the video. Now once you have the video, set it together, overlay it. So once you set it together here, you can see it should look somewhat like this, and now you can resize it as well. Now I want to resize it, so I'll just resize it this much. Once you do so, select the video, tap on the video, and at the right hand side scroll down and you can see the option that says Chroma Key. You wanna tap on it. Now this is free, this is not premium, so you can enable it, and you can see it's almost there. The background has been removed, but you can go ahead and edit it, customize it a bit to make it a bit darker, and you can remove a bit of background as well here, and you can see I have my video here now, so the background has been removed. So this is how you can use the green screen. You can use it for various other options as well, but this is just the basic. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.